Now carefully lift out the motherboard without snapping. Yes, there's some more screws which can hold the board somewhere here, which is looking. There's no screws. RCN screw. There's no screw. Take it to them in the table. Place the hand underneath the board and gently apply. Maybe there's a lot. We price out. There's no screw. Just wires. The back side is the wire. There's a single line wire. These are single wires, which is the main where it will connect with the board, which is a Wi-Fi card, and Wi-Fi card plugged in over here, which is took out, and there is a fan. There's CR3050 cell. Underneath this seat, there is a EPROM and there's a GPU name. Now we open and remove the wire, and this is a CD-ROM connector. There is a CD-ROM and there is a hard disk drive connector. Hard disk connector. And there is CR2030 cell, which can hold the timing of this processor. And there are two speakers, sound bar speakers, which contain single speaker. And there is the RAM slot. Here it plugs the RAM. It's a 2 GB RAM in here. And there's now RAM, there's a 2 RAM slots. In order to move the RAM, it will take a 2 RAM at the same time. Pull this slot out and RAM come out. And put the RAM into the same way on both sides. There are 4 chips here, 4 chips here. I already made a video how RAMs are worked. Computer RAM and laptop RAM is always same. One spot I fit back and then now I put the motherboard side. Maybe that camera cannot capture it. If a motherboard is inside. Now we continue to open the screen. First open the screen, we open this thing in order to remove the screen, but we can remove this antenna since these antennas go in the screen. I think I now remove the antenna. I will open the screw and then remove the unit once possible. I open the screw and realize it can't open, it can't come out with this hole, so we can remove this totally. This is a Link district is RT5990 Wi-Fi Bluetooth 2-in-1 card, which is there's a part number card, and there's remove the cover now. Back cover is totally free. First cover is also free. Back cover contains one more item, which is only 2 USB ports in 1 PCB. There is no any component on the top. Later we see this one in back after the screen opening. Now some screen. Screen is a very sensitive part. Because I don't think we can't break anything. No, or we open it. There's the 2 rubber taps in the hole. There's the 2 rubber taps. Underneath these rubber taps, they contain 2 screws to hold the bezel. Now, It's easy to come out. Just unlocking for tolerance. Just as usual, very carefully doing this at last panel or LCD liquid crystal display, and there's a few lots are those bagels come out. Take a fire bagel. Now lift the camera. This time camera is already lifted out. For top side, when I try to open it, where's the camera? Camera is sticking back side. First make sure there is no screws. There are two more screws which open and after reveal the panel. Now I open the screws. Two parties, one party turn and other from other turn. Now I hope panel is come out without sticking anything. Let me hold the panel. Keep close. And there's the panel. There's a total two screws this time. I open this drill. There's a drill. One drill is there. And one drill underneath the panel. There's two drills. One is underneath there's a different drill. This drill holes. So there are two screws over here and two screws over here. Three bottom and three other bottom, which are open. The drill around the panel and now panel is come out. Carefully lift the panel. These are panel, camera with camera FX cable, which is over here, and this FX cable plus this LVDS cable are connected to their panel, and there's a T-Don coming control board and backlight, which this panel is a LED panel, not a LCD, so it will work LED backlight, and this is built backlight driver in here which can drive the panel backlight, and there's a camera, and there's a LVDS connector, video graphic connector. Now we can continue the work into the board. One thing for you to tell, in the back tower this antenna wire are going over here, and this is aluminum sheet over here, and there's this antenna wire attached to our solder metal sheet. So this metal plate is acts like an antenna behind the LCD. Now see this port. There's a left out back frame. There's a PCB there which contain only two USB jacks along with one tiny IC and the FXC, and which then goes to the motherboard. This will attach over the side of the, let me see, right out here. This tiny little 2-pin USB converter is attached over here using this FXC table. Front tower. This is the front tower where we have a touchpad and keyboard. Keyboard is already removed. Now touchpad and the button is left. First remove a button. In order to remove a button, there are two screws which open, and after this push button will come out easily. Light. Very carefully do. Never snap the wire. Remove. There is a push button, which is the back side of this board over here. This is a push button, and there is a PCB. Now it comes to a touchpad. Which one is the last one? Then operation is removed. Since this player is come out already, there are two screws which open and which can come the panel out. They contain two buttons, left click, right click, and there is a wire goes to here, over here, and if we unclick it, one, it will come out the touchpad out. There is a keypad and there is the touchpad underneath there. And now this is a total teardown of this laptop, HP laptop. There is a keyboard and there is a bezel, there is a CD-ROM, and there is a button to turn on, off and on, and there is a panel along with LED VDS. There is left right click button, and there is a Wi-Fi charge chip, Wi-Fi Bluetooth charge chip, and there is a plastic body with antenna, plastic body, front bezel, with some wood and double USB port, adapter, and there is a main PCB which is contain port over here, charging port, battery connection port, RAM, Wi-Fi adapter is here. It's come out from that port. The main CPU, processor, underneath this heatsink. I cannot remove this heatsink since there is a processor there. If I remove the heatsink by opening these tools, it will mess up the processor. This processor contains a thermal paste, and we need to remove right now the all accessories, so we cannot remove it. And there is a CR130 cell, and there is a GPU, and there is a radiator, VGA, internet port, LAN port, HDMI, USB, and 2 audio, and 1 SD card slot. And this is the next video.